Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the thumbnail and the title, I have been to Primark. Hello. I have been to Primark. I don't have a super huge bag of stuff, but I definitely thought I had enough to do a haul, and I got some pretty cute things in here that I thought I'd share with you guys. I haven't done a Primark haul in a while. So I thought I'd do one today because I love a good Primark haul, and hopefully you guys do too. I don't actually really know where to start. I guess I'll just start at the top. Oh, great. I've just snagged that. Oh, and also I went into Primark looking so ugly. I had no makeup on apart from mascara. My hair was so greasy that I just shoved a hat on, and I was wearing my glasses, and then when I went to check out, the girl at the checkout was like, oh my gosh, I watch your videos, and I was so embarrassed. You know when you like feel your whole face going red, and because I had no makeup on, she could probably see that I'd gone bright red. But she was really lovely. Sorry that I looked bad. Okay, so the first thing that I got is a super, oh my god, it looks so cool on camera, a super glittery, sparkly, Christmassy, New Year inspired, I guess, jumpsuit. And hang on, how am I gonna hold this up, because it's one of those ones that's got a crossover back. There we go, hang on. Okay, so it's just a V-neck like this, and then it's got these straps, which, like I said, cross over at the back. But this does have adjustable straps, which I am so grateful for, because so many times I find that with things like this, the straps are always way too long. I just spat, I'm sorry. And then it's kind of like culottes. I am going to try this on for you guys, but I don't think I'm going to do a very good job of it. I'm not 100% sure whether I should keep this or not. Can you guys let me know? Because I feel like it would look better with maybe like a belt around the waist or something, but I don't have a kind of belt thing that I could put on it. I feel like maybe if there was like a thicker waistband around the middle, it would be a bit more flattering, because I don't know, I feel like it makes me look a bit just like a rectangle. And this was £15, which I think is really decent. And I don't know if it will pick up on camera, but the actual sparkles on it are kind of like rainbow. I don't really have anything like this. I feel like it's a bit random for me, but I love jumpsuits, so I thought I would just give it a go. Oh my goodness, this next thing is the softest thing I've ever felt, and I really wanted to get the matching set, but they didn't have the bottoms in my size. They only had like bigger sizes left, and also a lot of the ones that were left on the hanger had kind of gone a bit like bobbly and weird looking. But this is a hoodie, and it's cropped. It's just plain grey, it doesn't have any pockets or anything, and then the hood just looks like this, and it's got 2 tassels. But oh, I feel like, hopefully you can see on camera the type of super soft material it is. It just feels so nice. I feel like it probably won't last that long, because I do have another hoodie from Primark which was really soft, but then it went kind of bobbly quite quickly. But I think it was only a £5. I don't know if I'm right or wrong. Oh damn it, I ripped the label off, but I'm pretty sure this was £5. And I got this in a size small. One thing I just want to say about Primark recently is they've changed their sizes, and I found it kind of difficult to find like the right sort of sizing. So in a lot of clothes now, they've got 2XS, XS, S, M, L, like, you know, small, medium, large, that type of thing. But it's kind of confusing, because a lot of the things that I tried on were really big. Like, I tried on a coat in an extra small, and it was huge, and so I tried on the 2 extra small, and it was still too big, and I was like, what? Like, I don't know, I'm just a bit confused about the new sizing. But I love this hoodie so much. I thought it'd be really nice for just like lounging around the house in, or oh my gosh, I'm going on an airplane tomorrow. I'm actually going to Milan for a couple of days. Well, literally for like a day, and then fly home the next day with Revolution. I think I'm gonna wear this on the plane because it's so cozy. Next up, I got a jumper, and I thought that this was a kind of like a winter essential. In the shop, I thought it looked more burgundy, but now that I've got it home, it's kind of just like a bright red jumper, which is fine because I really like red. And this one was £10. I got this in an extra small, which is UK 6 to 8. And I just thought, oh yeah, see, it says on here, new improved sizing, but then it doesn't explain what or why or whatever. It's a high neck jumper, and then it's just got, I don't really know how to describe it, like this weird kind of looks like it's inside out type thing. I don't really know. I thought it was just like a really nice basic, and it's not too thick, so I feel like I could probably tuck this into some high-waisted jeans and it would look quite nice, because it's not like a super chunky jumper. I'm probably gonna wear this to like a family meal on Sunday. We've got like a Christmas dinner thing, so I'll probably be wearing that. Oh, I did get some kind of beauty bits and stuff, but I'll do those at the end. The next thing I got, I'm going to show anyway, very random. I got a bra, because Primark bras, I find that because I don't really have boobs, I can get away with getting really cheap bras, and it's kind of fine. This was only £5, which I thought was such a bargain, and it's pretty much just like a plain white, slightly push-up type bra. It's actually super comfortable, and I find that a lot of the Primark underwear I actually get along quite well with. So, but that being said, they do bras for bigger boobs. They've got like a D to double F section or something. They definitely had like some fuller bust bras. So if you're looking for a new one, head down to Primark because they had lots of cute ones. But this one was just kind of like a basic essential. And then this next purchase, I'm going to show you guys because we're all friends here. This was inspired by Misha Grimes. I love her so much. If you don't watch her channel, she's just great. She does so many hauls. She's so funny. And I'm pretty sure I've mentioned before that she's also a member of the Itty Bitty Titty Committee. And I asked her on Instagram, I was like, Misha, Misha, where sells the best chicken fillets to put in your bra? And she said that Marks and Spencer did good ones, but Primark did some that are really similar. So I thought I'd get these, and it was so funny. I DM'd her on Instagram and she was like, wait, they have 2 different types. Do you want me to send you a picture of the ones that I have to make sure you're getting the right ones? And I was like, yes, please. So I have just saved on my phone a picture of Misha Grimes holding one of her chicken fillets. But I got these. These were £5. They're called cleavage boosters. But I'm a bit confused, right? I don't know if I've got the right ones. I'm pretty sure these were the ones that she sent me a picture of. I don't fully know, but I just can't get them to work. I don't know which way round they go because they've got like a thin bit at the top, and I'm guessing like the big bit goes like under your boob to push it up. But then I watched another video of somebody else and they put them this way up and like did them like this. I don't really know. Like, if anybody knows how to work chicken fillets, let me know, because I feel like they just make my boobs look really like bulgy and weird and they just don't quite work. So gonna have to do some playing around with these. But also I feel like these in themselves, because they're so thick, like this is genuinely like the size of my actual boob. Like I don't have much more than this, so I don't know. I feel like they just look a bit crazy. They're kind of fun to play with. What am I doing? What's my channel come to? I was actually looking for in Primark some of their really cute, they used to do tons of like lacy, just non-padded bralettes that were really cute, and I wanted to get some more in some more colours, but they didn't seem to have any in there anymore. I don't know whether like lace triangle bralettes aren't in anymore and they've stopped selling them, but they didn't have any in my Primark, which is kind of sad. So okay, so moving on to the beauty stuff. A couple of these bits I got yesterday, and then a few of them I got when I was filming with Emily, when we filmed our Halloween collab. The first thing that I got is genius. I've seen these before and I don't quite know why I haven't got one till now. This is an eyelash case which holds up to 3 pairs of eyelashes. I am constantly, like, if you come to my house, you will find eyelashes stuck to your socks, stuck to pajamas, on top of the toilet seat, next to my toothbrush, on my bedside table, on my desk. There is lashes just everywhere from whenever I decided to peel them off, and I'll just like chuck them somewhere into my room and probably never see them again because they'll go up the vacuum cleaner. Ooh, and it's got a mirror. Oh my god, that's actually so handy. This is going to be so good for doing my eyelashes on the go. So you just get 3 rows where you can stick your eyelashes, which I think is such a great idea. So from now on, I'm going to try and be more organised and take this with me places. Another thing I got yesterday, which was completely random, I don't even know how much this was. Okay, these were £6, which is quite a lot. That's £1 per 1 use. They had these charcoal pore strips. I've never tried pore strips before, and I have really big pores on my nose, so I thought I would give these a go. And they're by the brand Biore, which is that one that Shay Mitchell always like does promotions for and stuff. I thought I would actually try these because I also saw, who did I see recently? I think it was Rachel Leary doing some sponsorship on Instagram for some Garnier pore strips. I just wanted to try pore strips in general because, I don't know, they look like they do a pretty good job. So I'm going to give these a go and see if they work, because if they do, then that'll be great because my nose is pory AF. The next thing that I got is a blush, and this is by Primark's own brand makeup range. This is called Secrecy, and actually, wait, let me just unwrap this. I just thought it looks like a really pretty blush colour. This is kind of my favourite sort of colour to wear. I think it's got a tiny bit of sheen. Actually, no. It looks more matte, but I just thought it looked like a really pretty blush. It was only £1.50, and I thought I would give it a go because I'm all for finding like good, cheap makeup that actually works, and I feel like this is the type of colour that I'd wear on an everyday basis. So I probably will feature this in an upcoming video. Same with what I'm about to show you, because oh my god, when I saw these I was like, okay, I need to buy all of them. Definitely didn't need all of them, not necessary in the slightest, but Primark have these highlighters which I think are supposed to be kind of like dupes for the KKW Beauty or Kylie Cosmetics ones. I don't really know. I think it's Kim's makeup range. I also, the other day, I saw a couple of people do some sponsored stuff with Primark as well. Hannah Renee and Jordan Lipscomb, and they were both wearing this highlighter. Oh my god, I want to open it and swatch it right now. These highlighters were £2.50 each, and I decided to get all 3 shades. The first one is called Frosted, and hopefully you can see it's got this really cool, like, wiggly, wavy sort of pattern on it. So Frosted is obviously the lightest one, and oh actually this one looks a bit chunky. I mean, it's still super blinding. That one does look a bit glittery though, but oh, that is actually beautiful. Can you see that there? They're just so metallic looking. The next one is Brunch Club, which is slightly darker and a bit more golden. Oh, this might actually be a bit too dark for me. Like when you do this, it looks like it's going to be quite light, but then when you tilt it down, it's a little bit golden. But oh, okay, this one is incredible. That one isn't like chunky at all, but oh my god, that is so metallic. I need to stop gasping. And then the final one is called Mink Pink. I've just realised this one's been printed. Do you see how like off-center the print is on this? So this one, which is called Mink Pink, looks like this. Again, I feel like this might be a bit too dark for me, but I just thought I'd get all of them to try them because they look so beautiful. I actually can't believe that these are only £2.50. So that one there is Mink Pink on the end. I think this one's definitely going to be too dark, but oh, they just look so beautiful. And I saw these and I was like, I need these right now. Definitely don't need any more highlighters, but I just was desperate to try them, so I got all 3. I actually think that might be everything. There was a couple of things that I had gone into Primark specifically to look for, but they didn't have any left. I really wanted to get, if you guys follow my Instagram, you've probably seen that I wear this like mustard puffer coat quite a lot, and I really wanted to get the navy or black one, but they didn't have any left at all. I'm guessing it's kind of like past that now and everyone's got their puffer jackets for the year. And then also there's this gorgeous long teddy coat that I tried on last time I was in Primark, and I didn't get it because it looked a bit too long, but then I kind of changed my mind about it and they only had like size 18 and 20 left, so I didn't get that, but it's all good. I still got some cute other stuff. Okay, let's just pick a question of the day. If you guys have a question, leave it down below with the hashtag question of the day and I might answer it in my next video. And it's just a lot easier to find them when they've got the hashtag because then it comes up in blue and I can see like what the questions are. Okay, this one is kind of random, but Elodie Jackson says, what's your favourite Christmas song? I love you so much. Nice to see you happy after your small breakaway. Thank you so much. My favourite Christmas song at the moment, I think, and let me just get onto my playlist on Spotify. First of all, just any of Ariana Grande's Christmas music. I love all of her Christmas songs so much. I'm just gonna give you guys a few recommendations. Obviously like the Justin Bieber Christmas album is also great, a little bit of mistletoe, can't go wrong with that. Ali and AJ, The Greatest Time of Year, is so good. All Time Low, Merry Christmas, Kiss My Ass is quite a funny one. Also Sia's Christmas album, she has a song, wait, what's it called? Santa's Coming for Us by Sia. Really love that as well. I'm gonna go and listen to my Christmas songs now because I'm just getting too excited, but there's so many. Like, I just, if you guys have any Christmas song recommendations, leave them below because I'm all ears. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up here. I'm gonna go. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little Primark haul. I know that it wasn't too big, but I feel like there's still some stuff in here that hopefully you guys will like. And I probably will do more before Christmas. Maybe there'll be a December Primark haul, we'll see. It's nearly December anyway. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. I need to edit this and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!